Hello students, welcome to the Mathematics 3 lecture series for the subject Mathematics 3 for all my mechanical engineering students and myself Dr. Ankit Acharya. So today our topic is wave equation and heat equation and how we can solve the solution of wave equation and heat equation. So here you can see that the one dimensional wave equation, okay, the equation is del square u by del t square equal to c square into del square y by del x square. So del square y by del t square equal to c square into del square y by del x square. Okay. Suppose this is my equation number 1. Okay. And now here you can see that y is equal to capital X into capital T. Okay. That y is equal to capital X into capital T be a solution of this equation. Okay. This equation equation number 1. Suppose so equation number 1. Now we are trying to solve this one-dimensional wave equation, the solution of one-dimensional wave equation using method of separation of variable. Okay, and in just previous lecture we discussed about method of separation of variable. So here you can see that del square u by, because see y is equal to capital X into capital T be a solution of this equation. So y is equal to capital X into capital T, and capital X is a function of small x, capital T is a function of small t. Okay. So suppose if I want to find del y by del t, okay, so that is x t dash, and if I differentiate partial differentiation with respect to t once again, so del square y by del t square, so that is x t double dash. So here del square y by del t square is nothing but x t double dash, and similarly you can see that del square y by del x square is x double dash t. Clear? So del square y by del t square, del square y by del x square. Now substituting this equation, this two equation in original equation, this equation number 1. So what happened? X t double dash, that is equal to c square. Okay, x double dash t. And now using method of separation of variables, so x double dash upon x, that is equal to 1 upon c square t double dash by t. Now we can separate. Here you can see that LHS is a function of x only and RHS is a function of t only. Okay, so now we can find out the solution of this equation. So consider x double dash upon x, that is equal to k, and d square x by dx square minus kx, that is equal to 0. Okay. So and similarly 1 upon c square, the right hand side the function is 1 upon c square t double dash by t. Okay, t double dash by t, that is equal to k. So d square t by dt square minus k c square t, that is equal to 0. And now solve this two equation. Okay, this two equations 6.42 and 6.43. The following cases arise because now cases depending upon the value of k. Okay, this both are second order ordinary differential equation, and in second order ordinary differential equation in unit number 6 we know that the complementary function, how we can find complementary function, is always depending upon your roots are positive or negative or complex root. Okay. So suppose k is positive, so k is equal to m square. Just we assume that let k is equal to m square because k is positive value. So we can take that square root of some positive real number. Okay. So k is equal to m square. So d square x by dx square minus m square x, that is equal to 0, right? And d square t by dt square minus m square c square t, that is equal to 0. So the solution is x is equal to c1 e raised to mx plus c2 e raised to minus mx, because basically this is d square minus m square. Okay, and d square minus m square, so factorization is possible, d minus m, d plus m. So roots are m and minus m. Okay, m and minus m are roots. So c1 e raised to mx plus c2 e raised to minus mx. Similarly t is equal to c3 e raised to mct plus c1 c4 e raised to minus mct, because here you will get d square minus m square c square. Okay, that is equal to 0. So factorization is possible, d minus mc and d plus mc. Okay, and that's why mc and minus mc. Okay, these are roots. So that's why the solution of equation, the solution of this equation 6.41. Okay, this equation, right? If k is positive, then that is we know that x into y. So x into t. So y is equal to this nothing but x into t. Here now when is k is negative? When k is negative, so k is equal to minus m square. So x is equal to c1 cos mx plus c2 sin mx. Okay, and t is equal to what? c3 cos mct plus c4 sin mct. Hence the solution of equation 6.41 is c1 cos mx plus c2 sin mx, okay, c3 cos mct plus c4 sin mct. Clear? And similarly, if k is equal to 0, then what is our solution? Because b square is equal to 0. So in that case, 0, 0 are roots. Okay. So that's why we know that complementary function we find if your roots are real and equal. Then what is the complementary function? What is the solution? Of course, particular integral we don't need to find here because right hand side is a 0. Okay. So this is homogeneous ordinary differential equation, and for homogeneous ordinary differential equation, general solution that is equal to complementary function. So 0, 0 are roots. So the y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e raised to 0 into x. Okay. So that's why c1 plus c2x, or you can also write c1x plus c2. Okay, whatever. Okay, into e raised to 0 into x. Whatever you can write. Right. So that's why they mention that x is equal to c1x plus c2, and similarly capital T is equal to c3t plus c4. And the general solution is y is equal to c1x plus c2 and c3t plus c4. Okay. Now out of these three solutions, we need to choose that the solution which is consistent with the physical nature of the problem. Since we are dealing with problem on vibrations, so y must be periodic function of x and t, and thus the solution must involve trigonometric terms. Okay. Hence the solution of the given equation 6.45, this equation, okay, that is c1 cos mx plus c2 sin mx and c3 cos mct plus c4 sin mct. Okay, because if k is negative, we get complex root. Okay, so find the solution of, this is the first example, find the solution of wave equation del square y by del t square equal to c square del square y by del x square, such that y is equal to a cos pt when x is equal to L and y equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Okay, so let's try to solve this equation. Del square y by del t square is equal to c square del square y by del x square, and the solution is periodic. So definitely this is the solution. Y is equal to c1 cos mx plus c2 sin mx, c3 cos mct plus c4 sin mct, as we discussed earlier. Okay. So the boundary conditions are x is equal to 0, y equal to 0, x is equal to L, y is equal to a cos pt. So putting the condition in equation number 1, okay, in equation number 1, we get 0 is equal to c1 into c3 cos mct plus c4 sin mct, okay, and c1 is equal to 0, clear? So that you will easily get, and putting c1 is equal to 0 in equation number 2, you will get y is equal to c2 sin mx into c3 cos mct plus c4 sin mct. So c2 c3 sin mx cos mct plus c2 c4 sin mx sin mct, clear? And putting the condition 2 in equation number 3, a cos pt, that is equal to c2 c3 sin ml cos mct plus c2 c4 sin ml sin mct. Okay, equation of coefficient of sine and cosine terms, a is equal to c2 c3 sin ml, and if mc is equal to p, c2 c3 is equal to a upon sin ml. Okay, so m is equal to p by c, right, and 0 is equal to c2 c4 sin ml, so c4 is equal to 0, clear? So c4 is equal to 0. Now substituting this values in equation number 3, okay, substituting this value in equation number 3, okay, so y is equal to a upon sin ml, right, y is equal to a upon sin ml sin mx cos mct, so a upon sin pl by c sin px by c cos pt, okay, clear? And now solution of one dimensional heat flow equation, so heat equation, okay, now we are discussing about heat equation. So one dimensional heat flow equation is del u by del t, that is equal to c square del square u by del x square, okay. Once again, u is equal to capital X into capital T, be a solution of equation, this equation 6.54. So del square u by del x square, that is equal to x dash t, okay, del square u by del x square, that is equal to x double dash t, and del u by del t, that is equal to x t dash, right? So substituting this equation in 6.54, so of course using the method of separation of variable, so x t dash, that is equal to c square x double dash t, okay, and using the method of separation of variable, you can easily solve this type of equation now, because we already discussed previous. So x double dash upon x, that is equal to 1 upon c square t dash upon t, that is equal to k. Okay, so this is the solution. Now considering x double dash upon x, that is equal to k. So d square x by dx square minus kx is equal to 0. 1 upon c square t dash by t, that is equal to k, and dt by dt, that is minus k c square t, that is equal to 0. So solving equation 6.55 and 6.56, the following cases arise. Okay, when k is positive, k is equal to m square d square x by dx square minus m square x, that is equal to 0. dt by dt minus m square c square t, that is equal to 0. Okay, and x is equal to c1 dash e raised to mx plus c2 dash e raised to minus mx, and t is equal to c3 dash e raised to m square c square t. Okay, so using the method of separation of variable, we can easily solve this equation. And hence the solution of equation 6.54, that is u is equal to c1 dash e raised to mx plus c2 dash e raised to minus mx into c3 dash e raised to m square c square t. Right, now when k is negative, so k is equal to minus m square, as we discussed in wave equation. So here we got complex root because k is equal to minus m square, that is negative root. Okay, so d square x by dx square plus m square x, that is equal to 0, and dt by dt plus m square c square t, that is equal to 0. So x is equal to c1 dash cos mx plus c2 dash sin mx, and t is equal to c3 dash e raised to minus m square c square t. So as the solution of equation 6.54, that is equal to u is equal to c1 dash cos mx plus c2 dash sin mx, c3 dash e raised to minus m square c square t. Now when k is equal to 0, d square x by dx square, that is equal to 0, and dt by dt, that is equal to 0. So x is equal to, capital X is equal to c1 dash x plus c2 dash, and t is equal to c3 dash. Okay, as the solution of equation 6.54 is u is equal to c1 dash x plus c2 dash and c3 dash. Okay, so now out of this three solution, we need to choose the solution which is consistent. Once again, as we discussed in wave equation, so in physical of nature of the problem, since we are dealing with the problem to heat condition, so temperature u must be decreased with the increase of time. So hence the solution is this way consider. Okay, so u is equal to c1 cos mx plus c2 sin mx into e raised to minus m square c square t. And of course the differential equation, the transition solution, the solution is known as transition if u decrease as t increase. Okay, so steady state condition, a condition is known as steady state if the dependent variable are independent of the time t. And the differential equation, this del u by del t, that is equal to k into del square u by del x square for the condition to heat along a road, okay, without radiation subject to the following conditions. So these are the conditions, okay, that you can understand. And now this is the example. So solution is del u by del t, that is equal to k del square u by del x square. Okay, and since u is finite when t tends to infinite, that is already given, right? U is finite when t tends to infinite. So the solution of equation 1 is formed. U is equal to c1 cos mx plus c2 sin mx into e raised to minus k m square t. And the boundary conditions are at x is equal to L, u equal to 0 for all t, and this condition at x is equal to 0, del u by del x is equal to 0. Okay, so the initial conditions are at t equal to 0, u equal to u0 for 0 less than x less than n. Applying the condition, so del u by del t is equal to, okay, minus c1 m sin mx plus c2 m cos mx e raised to minus k m square t. Okay, so this is the condition, right? And if we solve the equation applying the condition 1 in equation number 3, we get 0 is equal to c1 e raised to km square t cos ml is 0. Of course cos ml is 0, cos is 0 only at point pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. So in general cos 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay, and ml, that means what? Ml is nothing but 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So m is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2l. So m is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2l. Okay, and u is equal to c1 e raised to minus k 2n plus 1 whole square into pi square by 4l square cos 2n plus 1 into pi by pi x by 2l. Okay, putting n equal to 0, 1, 2, adding all this solution by the principle of superposition, the general solution of equation 1 is uxt, that is equal to, okay, and applying the condition in this equation number 3. So finally you will get this equation u0. Okay, and equation 5 represent a2n plus 1 the value using Fourier series that you can find out. Okay, this is the exactly the equation of Fourier series. A2n plus 1, that is 2 by l, 0 to l, u0 cos 2n plus 1, pi by 2 x by l dx. Okay, and finally using the integration you will get this value. Okay, clear? So finally this is our solution. So in today's lecture we discuss about important topic of the last chapter. This is our last lecture. Okay, that is wave equation, heat equation, and we solve some of the example of wave equation, heat equation. Okay, so thank you so much.